Hello and welcome to the Beauty Insider community, also known as the BIC. I'm Alex, or AlexBT as I'm known in community. The Beauty Insider community is an online space where beauty lovers and newbies alike can swap shopping advice and product recommendations, share their latest shopping haul, post selfies or shelfies to participate in themed challenges, and even chat about things beyond beauty. Let me show you how to post and reply in community. There are two ways to post in community. You can reply to one of the thousands of posts already started by people like you, or if you searched and didn't find your topic, you can create a new post. The search bar is your friend. Let's say you're looking for a smudge-proof liquid liner that has the community stamp of approval. Type what you're looking for into the search bar to see if your question has already been asked. Or maybe you're a hair whiz looking to share your expertise. Tap on unanswered to filter threads and see who's still looking for help. The BIC needs you. Once you've found the thread you want to respond to, tap the reply button found at the bottom of the initial thread post. Type your reply in the text editor. Always start your reply by @mentioning the member you're replying to so they receive a notification and know to respond back. You can also tag other community members in your replies. Just start with that @ and then type out their username. Then continue with your post. And yes, we have emojis. To add a photo to your reply, tap the image icon in the text editor and then select it from your photo library. Let community know what products you used by tagging them in your reply. To tag a product, type the hashtag sign and start typing the name of the product you want to mention, starting with either the brand name or product name. Once you've found it, tap it to tag it in your post. When you're finished crafting your reply, don't forget to hit post to publish it. Now I'm going to show you how to create a new thread. Again, use that search bar as your first line of defense before posting something new. If you don't see what you're looking for, here's where this amazing community comes in. Tap Start a Conversation to get started with your new thread. First things first, your post needs a subject line. The most helpful subject lines let the community know what you're looking for or what you're trying to accomplish with your new thread. For example, instead of simply writing "help," tell us a little bit more. Something like, "help me find the best brightening concealer." Then you'll choose the group to post in. There are over 40 groups to choose from, so we recommend choosing the one that's most relevant. For example, a skincare question could go in skincare aware, or even oily skin if you want to be more specific. Type out the detail of your post in the text box. If you want to mention specific products, again, use that hashtag key. And if your post includes shout-outs to other BIC members, or you want to link back to existing threads that inspired you, make sure to use that @ symbol to search by username or by post title. You can also add a photo. Again, not required, but always encouraged. Happy with what you see? Hit post to share it with community. After you publish, remember to check in on your thread and respond back to your helpful new BIC besties. You can also check your notifications by tapping the bell in the top right corner of community. Whether you create a new thread or reply to others, we are so happy you are spending your time in the Beauty Insider community. We can't wait to see what you have to say. Visit us by heading to community.sephora.com. See you there.